Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Are you ready to take your life to the next level? If you want, then must watch this video. You will never fail in life. So friends, get ready to elevate your life with the inspiring story of Lord Buddha. Let's get started. One day, Buddha used to give discourse to his followers. Not only people from the village but many people from faraway places would come to listen to his discourse. A person used to come from far away every day to listen to discourse given by Buddha. For about a month, he continued to come to listen to discourse. He listened very carefully to every word Buddha said and would return when discourse ended. One day after discourse was over, man stayed. After everyone left, he went to Buddha and said, I want to ask you something. Buddha replied, Ask. Man said, I have been listening very carefully to your teachings every day for a month. I remember everything you said, but they are not having any effect in my life. I am starting to wonder if there is something that I lack. Buddha asked, Where do you live? Man replied, At Saraswati, a nearby village. Buddha asked, How do you come here? Man replied, Sometimes on foot, sometimes by horse cart, sometimes by bullock cart. Then Buddha said, Tell me, will you able to reach back your home right now, just by sitting here? Man replied, How is that possible? How can I reach my home just by sitting here? I have to walk to get there. Even if I don't go on foot, a means of transport will be needed to reach there, such as bullock carts or horse. Buddha said, Right. One has to walk to reach the destination. Destination cannot be reached without moving. Similarly, to bring change into life, one has to follow these teachings. These teachings are not effective in life just by listening. You also have to behave accordingly. Apply these teachings in your life. Follow the path and then you will be able to see positive change in your life. So learning in this story is we hear so many good and bad things in a day. We listen to some things and ignore them. Something remain on our mind board for some time, then we forgot them. But something get preserved in our subconscious in the form of memories. But the things that we follow, we start following. They affect our lives. They gradually become ingrained in our habits and eventually become a part of our personality by getting involved in our nature. Therefore, if you want to bring a positive change in your life, don't just listen to good things, follow them too. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more enriching content.